STS TV, STS TV, STS TV, STS TV, STS TV. All right, let's get it. 2025 is upon us. You want to get into crypto, how to invest in crypto as a complete beginner in 2025, under 5-minute guide. What you want to do, you saw this video. What's up? My name is STS TV. I'm going to show you how to invest in crypto and get some money. All right, so what you want to do is click that link below in the description. That's going to be a Coinbase link. Automatically, you get $20 off the back. As soon as you click the link, you sign up. It's self-explanatory. You put your social in, put your name in. It'll walk you right through. Can't make it any simpler than that, right? A monkey could do it. Okay, once you have the account, it'll look just like this when you open the account. This is an exchange. So this is where you buy and sell Bitcoin, right? You see right there. You might have heard about it. Ethereum, you might have heard about it as well. And XRP, you might have heard about it, right? So this is where you buy and sell these cryptocurrencies. Now, these cryptocurrencies, they're very volatile. What that means is they go up and down. But if you hold them for a long time and you ride the market out, eventually you'll make money, right? So that's what you want to do. The name of the game, I'm giving you the complete secret, is to buy and don't sell. That's the main game. Buy and don't sell. Well, no matter what, if the price goes down and up, you buy more, but you don't sell. That's the secret of the game, okay? Gave you a secret. So now what you want to do, after you click that link, you get that $20. What you want to do is go over to Bitcoin right here. Boom. You hit buy. Boom. You put your account, whatever. Sorry, I'm getting followers. You put your account. You're going to have your card set up. It will walk you through to set up your card. And then you just hit buy, and it'll buy how much you put your amount, how much you want, and it'll buy the cryptocurrency for you. Also, you can also send and receive cryptocurrency from other people. So what sending is, say you want to send this to what's called a wallet off of Coinbase, this website, this app, I should say, that we're looking at. When your crypto's on here, you technically don't own it until it's off into what's called a wallet. Now, the wallet looks like, I'll take you to the wallet, what the wallet looks like. This is what the wallet looks like, right? So the wallet looks like this, okay? You'll have multiple cryptos in here that you hold, and there's a slight fee called a gas fee, which is, it does to crypto is a whole bunch of math problems being solved, the long and short of it. So to solve that math problem, it costs money, which they call gas in crypto, and you have to pay a slight fee. Bitcoin is loved because it has a lower fee than, say, Ethereum. Ethereum has a high gas fee. Bitcoin doesn't. So Bitcoin is traded easily, and it takes a little longer to be traded, but it's cheaper, okay? So that's the complete quick guide, under 5-minute guide, how to invest in crypto. Click that link, get that $20. You don't even have to use your own money yet. Buy Bitcoin, throw it in Bitcoin. Then you do the same thing every week. You set up a recurring buy. I'll show you how to do that. Once you go right here to Bitcoin, you set up a recurring buy, and it'll buy every week. You go to buy, right? And then you can buy your amount, whatever. And then also up top, once you hit buy, you can set up a reoccurring buy, okay? See reoccurring buy, and you can set it for daily, weekly, first of the month, whatever. And you can set it and forget it. So say you put $100 and you set it weekly. Every time you get paid, you get rich in 7 years, 10 years, whatever. But you get rich, all right? STS TV.